Future Stars is the organization, is a nonprofit organization, and we put on this hands-on STEM fair annually. And so this fair brings children and families from everywhere.
How has careers in STEM changed in recent years?
Okay, well, what we're seeing is a lot more diversity and representation, whether that is from more people of color in STEM and especially young ladies in STEM.
I'm here with Ronnie Gamage, the director of the Guidewright program, Capital League. Brother Gamage, can you tell me about All Hands on STEM? What does it do for you and your organization?
Hands on STEM is a really important event in our community. It enlightens and it brings our kids from all over the valley, and it gives them experiences in STEM that we aren't really traditionally able to see. Here at the Capital League booth, then we're able to build a Bluetooth speaker, so we're able to share with 100 kids how to build a circuit, how to build out the speaker that actually plays from their phones.
And we know that representation is vital for our community and for all of our young ones to feel that they belong. And so that is a great recent change and an addition that we have in STEM.
And how important is it for events like Hands-On STEM in communities as such to happen?
It is detrimental that we have community events like this because it builds the connection between home and education, but also it builds awareness and also cultural awareness and sensitivity and just building those connections and networking. I have my children here. They've learned about Capeline, I believe it is, and so that is an organization that my son is very much excited to learn, like public speaking and etiquette and manners. But then Future Stars, he spent a good 40 minutes at a booth here building something with STEM, and he wants to be an engineer. So for him, he sees representation. He feels like the community, that's rare in the area that he has grown up in.